this is the Colocasia black runner, and I used to confuse this plant with the other one, the black magic. Now I just got a new information that an easy way to spot the difference is over here. I hope it focus here. These over here, it's the end of the leaf is twirling or spiral. Now that's one main difference to the black magic. As you can see here, the black magic, it's just pointy and straight. There's no spiraling or twirling around. And not sure if you can see in the camera, but the color is a bit different. Now the black magic has a more purple, while the runner is much darker. I don't know if the camera can see it or not, but with my own eye I can see it straight away. Now I hope this tip would be useful to any of you who want to purchase the black runner, because me myself, gotta be honest, I did bought a bunch of black magic in the name of black runner. So and over here the price is a lot different. The black runner is much more expensive, and I end up buying like a couple of them already, and it ends up being just black magic. Because before, the only thing that I could find to tell the difference is the waviness of the leaves, and for the black magic, the leaf wouldn't start, that waviness wouldn't start until it grows big. So I end up raising black magic in the name of black runner for a while, and a couple of them. So yeah, I end up wasting my time with the wrong plant that I don't want. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's not what I want. So as you can see, there's some wave at the edge of the leaf of the black magic, but it is not as much comparing to the black runner. Here's the black runner, and you can see the waviness of the edge of the leaf are much more prominent, and you can see it straight away. Even if you're comparing to the size, the wave starts earlier. Like this leaf is about the size of my palm, and this black runner is like 2-3 of my palm, and the wave just started a little bit. And that's it for this video. I hope these tips are somehow useful to you. It's new information I just received, and it is very useful for me. From now on, I can purchase the right plant that are quite really similar.